Hi there, I want to look at the filter vanishing point tool here. To use this, I'm just going to unlock my background image. Let's say we want to move this picture. Oops. Oh, so good. Let's say we want to move this picture and stick it to the wall so it looks like it's a billboard. How do we go about doing that? The first thing we need to do is copy the image. So we do Control A to select all of it, then Control C to copy my little face picture. Then we can hide that. Then I'm going to select my background and create a new layer above it. So we've got a nice clear empty layer, and then we're going to go to Filter Vanishing Point. A vanishing point is a point in the distance where all your lines will meet at. I know you've obviously spent most of your time standing on the train tracks looking up them. That's kind of a vanishing point. We're going to use the Create Plane tool. I'm going to click 4 points. I'm going to try and draw them in vertically with the edge of the windows here, and then I'm going to follow the edge of the bottom of the building and then go up to this little top corner here. Now if we're anywhere near right, Photoshop will put this little grid in to kind of indicate it knows what we're talking about, but you can move the corner points if you're not happy with the position. When you get close to a corner point, the cursor will change to a little square. Once we're happy with them, these lines should line up with the windows. It's not quite there yet, is it? That looks about right. I'm just looking where this line goes in relation to all these little sash windows. Okay, I can live with that. So I'm going to go Control V to paste in my picture, and then as I drag it over the selection area we've made, the perspective area, can you see my photo has jumped onto the wall? But it's huge, so I can transform it using this transform tool, which is Control T, and then I can grab it by a corner. Oops, come on, give me my corner. Let's grab it by that corner. So when it's smaller, there it goes. Smaller, smaller, smaller. A lot smaller. There we go. Now you can see it's just lining up anywhere on the wall automatically. Now it's letting me grab the corner tool. You see it's lining up with this edge, and it's lining up with the top of all those windows, as if by magic. Then we'll click OK to place it down, and we've got it on its own separate layer in perspective, and we could mask it and make it blend in a little bit better, but we shall leave it there for now. Thank you for watching.